going to learn what are the ethical requirements in sales. There is no even though the main objective of the sales function is to generate as much as sales for your hotel, managing it ethically is highly important for brand image and also long-term sustainability in the of your business. So what are the ethical requirements that the sales manager need to understand and need to observe to become a successful sales manager? So there are certain what the business ethics and in the sales management which we needs to be monitored. So ethics are described by the movement of the behavior, where you are behaving in ethical manner as per your contract, as per the good faith, because people we are in a trust business. The customers are trusting us to solve their problems, so the sales has to be ethical. We need to be ethical about our pricing, we need to be ethical about the description that we are giving out, we need to be ethical in the promises that we are making while we are selling an event or a wedding, so that there are no complaints or satisfactions or dissatisfactions in the future. So business ethics is the study of how the business people behave when facing a situation with moral consequences. You may be right in your decision, in your terms legally, but ethically you may be wrong. So there are multiple situations where you may be tested on the moral grounds. So sales management ethics is the specific component of business ethics that deal with ethically managing the sales function. So ethically we're gonna be learning more on what are the ethics that the sales force need to follow. So first thing is the ethics are usually governed by your personal integrity, moral values and social influences. What are those individual ethics? Then there are professional ethics, which required professional standards, group goals and prestige of the group that you are working for. So there are standards of sales and marketing authorities or associations which requires no bribing. In a general nutshell, it requires no bribing, no lying, or not giving false descriptions in the sales process. So those are the general professional standards that the association for sales and marketing are usually carrying out. Then there are group goals of the company that you are working for, and these all the three behaviors and the factors are integrating each other. Then there are organizational ethics to profit, growth and survival. If the organizational ethics is just to maintain the profit, then it may conflict with the personal integrity or with the moral values. So all the goals are all the factors, individual ethics, our own individual personality ethics, which we have learned via in the school, in the colleges, in our social society, and our professional ethics, where we have learned through the professional educations, and also the organization in which we are working now. So these all the three ethics has to be remaining the similar, otherwise there will be the clashes in the behavior, which is not good for the performance of salespeople.